Hi folks, today we're out here with the Mossberg. This one's in 410, and I'm going to show you how to take out your plug in this. As you know, if you try to load one up, a new one up, when you go to feed in your shells, you can't feed in that third one. You have to go ahead and rack one in to get your 3 shots in here. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take out that plug, and let's get after it. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have an unloaded shotgun. So as you can see, we've unloaded this shotgun. Okay, you're going to want to take off your screw nut up here in the top and take the barrel off. It's just a real easy, simple process right there. And then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and get your shells you're using. In this case, we're using 2.5-inch shells. We're going to go ahead and put them in here. We'll move the camera up just a tad here, folks. So as you can see, we put a shell in. We're going to put in another one. Now, as we put in the third one, a funny thing will happen. I'm kind of holding this down toward you. Stick pop out up here. So what you want to do is go ahead and get it out as far as you can. And then we're just going to go ahead and remove it. It does have a rubber type washer on it, right here at the bottom. And there we just removed the plug. So now this will hold 5 plus 1, I believe, maybe more, we'll see. Yes, it'll hold 5 in the tube, 1 in the chamber. Well, as I say, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out on anybody that needs to take the plug out. And before you reinsert your barrel, make sure your mag is empty, or make sure the gun is fully empty. Pull your handle down, screw it back in. And there you go. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.